A young man named Rupak Sarkar from Kamalghat was beaten up and injured his head by a TSR Jawan on accounts of making her daughter fall into his fake love. After the incident, Rupak Sarkar says he will file an FIR against Babul Sarkar, who has physically assaulted him.
A young man named Rupak Sarkar from Kamalghat was having a relationship with the daughter of TSR Jawan, who is a minor girl, for about 5 to 6 months. However, in the end, both the family members had a negotiation and come to the settlement in the police station. Rupak Sarkar's parents also promised that their son will not disturb the daughter of Babul Sarkar anymore. After that, 5 to 6 months passed. However, Rupak Sarkar is again trying to make a relationship with the daughter of TSR Jawan, Babul Sarkar, which is why Babul Sarkar was frustrated and beaten Rupak Sarkar with a helmet in front of Kamalghat school on Friday. After the incident, his family member took him to the Agartala GB hospital. Rupak Sarkar says he has filed an FIR against Babul Sarkar based on the incident. Rupak Sarkar has made an allegation that he was physically assaulted without any reason. However, Rupak Sarkar family members did not say nothing about the incident to the reporters because he was playing with the feelings of a young minor girl, making her fall into his fake love and destroying her life. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.